So entering your first horoscope, this is actually pretty simple. Everything that you're going to want to do with data entry is going to be in this window over here. Okay. And we're only going to be working with this for now for inputting data. Now, let's say, for example, I want to put in the chart of Tom Cruise. I like to organize it with last name first, Tom, and we're going to put in the city of birth, which was Syracuse. New York, United States. Okay. Now, for whatever reason, if the city that you're looking for is not in the atlas, you can always enter a latitude and longitude coordinate here, and you can put in the time zone as well. For the month, date, and year, we have the option of several different date formats. We can go date, month, year, or month, day, year, depending on your preference. I'm going to go with year, month, date. So he was born in 1962, and that's going to be July 3rd. If I'm not mistaken, he was born at 3:20 a.m. And of course, we have the option here with time. We can actually put it in 24-hour military standard time, or we can put it in 12-hour time and then add the designation of AM or PM. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click on save, assuming that we have an upgraded account. You can see here the chart is saved to my charts, and we have the D1, the D9. We can see here that he is a Taurus rising with Mars and Mercury in the first house. And really, it's that simple.